Hello students, this is your maths class, and in this class we are going to learn about more than, less than and equal to. Okay, I repeat once again, our today's topic is more than, less than and equal to. M-O-R-E, more. T-H-A-N, than, more than. Less than, L-E-S-S, less. T-H-A-N, than, less than. And equal to, E-Q-U-A-L, okay, equal to. So let's start our class. Now we are going to compare more than, less than and equal to in the numbers. Okay, we will compare numbers, that which numbers are more, which number is less and which number is equal to. Okay, now all the numbers are similar, but a way to compare all numbers like same as, more than, less than and equal to. Same as is same like equal to. If the both number are same, okay, if we write number in the same number, if we write 2 times, then what we will say, these numbers are equal to, because they both numbers are same. Okay, and the more than, if you compare things or number that is more from another one, then that will be more than. Okay, and same as less than, if we compare numbers or things with the more than, the if the thing is less, then it will be less than. Okay, and equal to, if the things or numbers are in the same, then it is equal to. Okay, now let's start with the equal to sign. Okay, two or more equal amounts, okay, can show they are equal. Okay, two or more equal amounts. Equal amount means if the number or if the things are equal in the both two sides, that are equal to, that we call equal to. Now can show they are equal by using this sign. Okay, then how we will see that these things are equal? By using this sign. Okay, two sleeping line. Okay, this two line we said as equal to. You can see in this slide, this lines. Okay, this sign is equal to sign. Okay, and this sign we put when we compare the things, when the both things or both numbers are equal, then we will put this sign between the two numbers. Okay, two numbers which are equal amount. Okay, two or more equal amount we will compare by putting this sign in between. Okay, like look at this slide, there are 3 oranges in the left hand side. Okay, and in right hand side, how many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 oranges is the same as 3 apples. Okay. In the left hand side there are 3 oranges, and in right hand side there are 3 apples, and 3 is equal to. Why? Because the number is the same. The numbers, when we count the orange, if we count orange, that is also 3, and if we count the apple, that is also 3. That's why 3 oranges is the same as 3 apples. Okay. So 3 is equal to 3. 3 equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. 3 oranges and 3 apples are same. Okay. Now, one amount is larger than the other. Okay. One amount is larger than the other one. That we call more than. Okay. If the number is larger than the another one, that number we will call more than. Okay. Or if the things are larger than, if the things are larger than and more than that things, we will call more than. Okay. Now this sign, okay, look at this slide. This sign can show greater than. Okay, this sign we call greater than. Okay, or we say more than. Okay, this is the symbol of greater than or more than. Okay. Now let's see the examples of more than. Okay. Now in our left hand side, let's count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers in our left hand side, and in our right hand side, let's count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers in the right hand side and 4 flowers in our left hand side. Now which is more and which is less? Yes, 4 is more and 3 is less. So if 4 is more and 3 is less, then what we will say? 4 is more than 3. 4 is more than 3. Why? Because 4 is bigger. Okay, 4 is bigger than 3. Okay, so 4 is more than 3, or we can say 4 is greater than 3. Okay, 4 is greater than 3. Or if you don't want to write like this, or if you don't want to write, then we can put the sign of greater than. You can see in this picture which sign we are using. Okay, this sign is a greater than sign. Okay, this sign is greater than sign. So 4 is greater than 3. So we will put this sign to 4. Okay, this sign we put to 4. Why? Because 4 is greater than 3. Okay, 4 is more than 3. Okay, now when one amount is smaller than the other, okay, one amount is smaller than the other, then we will put this sign. Okay, we will put this symbol, and this symbol we call less than symbol. Okay, this symbol we call as less than symbol. Okay, this is less than, or we can say fewer than. Okay, if the one amount is smaller, if we compare two numbers, if one number is smaller and one number is bigger, larger, then we will put this sign as a less than sign. Less than sign. Okay. Now let's see less than. Okay, now see in the picture, look at the picture. In our left hand side there are two cats, right? And in our right hand side there are three dogs. Then can you tell me which number is, which one is more and which one is less? 3 is less or 2 is less? Yes, 2 is less, 3 is more. So what we will write? 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. Okay. Why? Because 3 is more than 2. 3 is more than 2. Okay. So here what we did, this sign is come, this sign is now here in the 3. Okay. This sign is facing the number 3. So when this sign faces the greater number in the right hand side, then this sign we call as less than. Okay. So 2 is less than 3, or 2 is fewer than 3. Okay. 3 is more than 2, right? So here 2 is before and 3 is after, that's why this is less than. Okay, so we will say 2 is less than 3. Now I am going to tell you one story. Story is about about 2 alligators. Okay, story of 2 alligators. Now one alligator, okay, what his name was Mr. Less Than. Okay, and the another one is Mr. More Than. Less than and more than. Now this more than and less than, what they did? They eat only bigger number. Okay, they don't like to eat less things. Less thing or less number they don't want to eat. They only like to eat bigger number or more things. Okay, if the things is less, then they will not eat. They like to eat only the things which is more, and they like to eat the number which is more. Okay, less number they don't like to eat. So this less than, what he did do that he opened his mouth only in the left side. Okay, if the number is in the left side, or if the thing is on the left side, then only this open his mouth. Okay, on the left side, this more than open his mouth, and this less than, what he did, less than open to eat the bigger number or the more things when the things are in the right side. Okay, when the things are in the right side, then this less than open their mouth to eat. But this less than, this more than, what he did, he only opened his mouth while the things are in the left side. Okay, he eat the things which are in the left side. Okay, now see what the alligator want to say. What alligator is saying, that we don't like small fish. We, when there are bigger ones to eat. Okay, they will not eat the small fish when they got the big fish. Okay, bigger fish. So they will eat only the bigger ones. They will not eat the smaller one. Okay, the alligator always wants to eat bigger number or bigger things. Okay, they don't like to eat the smaller things. They don't like to eat the smaller things or the smaller numbers. Now, can you tell me which sign is this? Alligator is eating the bigger number, and his mouth is in which side? Yes, his mouth is open in the left hand side. So if the mouth is open in left hand side, it means it is more than sign. Okay, or we can say it is greater than sign. Okay, this is greater than sign. Why? Because he is eating the, he is waiting for the bigger number. See, here are number 3, 5, 2. But this alligator is wanting only bigger. This 3, 5, 2 is smaller number for him. That's why he is not eating these numbers. He is waiting for the bigger one. Okay. Now comparing the numbers. What fish will be eaten by the alligator? What fish will be eaten by the alligator. Now here are given two numbers. In our left hand side 5 and in our right hand side 7. Okay. Now which one is greater number and which one is less number? Can you compare? Now can you say which number is bigger and which number is smaller? Which number will alligator eat? Can you say? See, 5 is less than 7. Okay, 5 is less than 7 and 7 is more than 5. So this time alligator will eat the number 7. Okay, number 7 will eat the alligator. Why? Because 7 is greater number than 5. Okay, then which sign we will put here? The sign which is on the right side. Okay, when the alligator open his mouth on the right side, that sign we call less than sign. Okay, so 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. What alligator would eat this fish? What alligator would eat this fish? Okay, 5 or 7? Just now I told you alligator will eat the 7. So can you tell me which alligator is eating number 7? Mr. Less or Mr. More? Yes, here Mr. Less is eating number 7. Okay, so this we will write like 5 is less than 7. Okay, 5 is less than 7. Why? Because 7 is bigger than 5. 7 is bigger than 5. That's why this alligator wants to eat 7. Okay? Why? Because alligator always eat bigger number. They don't eat the smaller one. Okay? Now let us read the rule of this two alligator. Okay? Rules for reading more than, less than. Okay? Now what we did, we read the problem left to right. Okay? Now bigger number on left is more than. Okay? If we are comparing two numbers, okay, so if in the left number, in number is on the left side, that number is more than. Okay, and bigger number on the right is less than. Okay, bigger number on left is more than and bigger number on right is less than. Okay, if the number is on the left side and that is bigger, then which alligator will eat that number on the left side? Mr. More than. Okay, Mr. More than will eat that number. Bigger number on the left is eaten by Mr. More than. Okay, and bigger number on the right side is eaten by Mr. Less than. Okay, Mr. Less than will eat the number on right side. Okay, on the left side more than will eat, and on the left side more than, Mr. More than will eat the bigger number, and on the right side Mr. Less than will eat the bigger number. Okay, and when the numbers are the same, they are equal to each other. Okay, when the both numbers are the same, when the both numbers are the same, or both the things are same, then that number we call as equal to. Okay, they are equal to each other. When the numbers are the same, they are equal to each other. Okay, bigger number on left is more than, bigger number on right is less than. Okay, bigger number on left is more than, and bigger number on right is less than. Okay, these fish are equal to each other. Okay, now there are two fish in the both side, in the right hand side and in the left hand side. Okay, and these both fish are number 9. Okay, it's written number 9. So what we'll see, these both fish are equal to each other. Okay, because 9 and 9 is same number. Okay, no one is bigger and no one is smaller, they are same. 9 and 9 is same. What we will see, 9 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. 9 and 9 are same number. No one is bigger and no one is smaller. Okay, no one is greater and no one is less. Okay, so 9 and 9 are the same number, so they are equal to each other. 9 is equal to 9. Now the rules that we have to remember. Okay, I repeat once again the rules that we have to remember about the more than and less than. Now bigger number on the left is always more than. Okay, bigger number on the left is always more than, and bigger number on the right is always less than. Okay, if the number is bigger on the right side, then that is less than. Okay, and if the number is bigger on the left hand side, then that is more than. Okay, more than, bigger number on the left is more than, bigger number on right is less than. And when the numbers are the same, they are equal to each other, like this 9 and 9, 9 equal to 9. Okay, so when the numbers are same, they are equal to each other. Okay. what fish would be eaten by what alligator? Okay, there are two numbers. Okay, 8 and 4. Now, which alligator is eating which number? Can you tell me? Number 8 or number 4? Yes, alligator is eating the number 8. Why? Because 8 is greater than 4, or 8 is more than 4. Okay, so this alligator is more than, Mr. More than is eating the number 8. Okay, why? Because 8 is more than 4, or 8 is greater than 4. Okay, so Mr. More than eating 8. Alligator always eat the bigger number. Okay, if the number is on our right side, then the alligator will eat the right side number, and if the bigger number is in our left hand side, then the alligator will eat the left hand side number. Okay, now let's see in this number which one alligator will eat. Okay, 7, 7. Okay, both are number 7. So which one this alligator, which alligator will eat this number? Can you guess? Why? Because 7 and 7 are the same number. No one is bigger and no one is smaller. No one is greater and no one is lesser. And no one is more, no one is less. They both are same. And if the both number are same, then what we will say? We will say these are equal to. Now here what we will say? We will say 7 is equal to 7. Why? 7 is equal to 7 because here no alligator will eat these numbers. They are same. They are equal to. 7 is equal to 7. And alligator always eat the bigger number. And if the both number are same, then alligator will not eat any of the number. Okay, why? Because alligator eat only bigger number, and this both side are the same number. Okay, so if the number are same, then it is equal to. Okay, and we are putting the equal to sign also, you can see. Okay, so we have completed our class, and our today's class was more than, less than and equal to. Okay, in the next class we will learn about greater than, less than and more than. We will learn more about this chapter. Okay, hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and please try to understand, read from your book. These all are in your book. Please try to read and try to understand. Okay.